Hi guys, what's up? It's your girl Charla from That Girl Cooks Healthy. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this delicious green pea soup that's vegan style, made from garden peas. Really delicious, filling recipe that you guys need to try. Let's get to it. So these are the ingredients that you're going to need. You're going to need some garden peas. You can use any type of green peas for this recipe. So I'm just using some standard garden peas. You're also going to need some vegetable broth, some onions and some garlic, a small amount of fresh parsley chopped. You want to remove the stems before you use it, some vegan butter, some black pepper and pink salt, some thyme, and also some coconut milk as well. I will say one thing about this soup. When I first tried it, I was skeptical about it. I actually tried it when I was out and about and someone told me what the recipe was called, and I ended up liking it. And whenever I need a pick-me-up and it's a non-Caribbean recipe, this is my go-to soup because it is so healthy. It has so many benefits to it, particularly people who may need a good dose of vitamin C or any potassium. It's full of calcium. It has a good source of iron. It really is a go-to soup. So I really want you guys to just put the skepticism and doubt to a side, and please try this soup. You will not be disappointed. So the first thing we need to do is you can use either a frying pan or a saucepan. Today I'm just going to do a saucepan, and what you want to do is you just want to melt that vegan butter first of all. So we're just going to melt the vegan butter. So now that the vegan butter is nicely melted, the next thing we're going to do now is just going to add that onion and the garlic, and we're just going to cook, or should I say saute, the onion and the garlic until soft and translucent. So now that the onion and garlics have softened, the next thing we need to do now is to add some more ingredients. So I'm going to start by adding the vegetable broth, and then I'm going to add the coconut milk, followed by the spinach, some thyme, and then I'm going to add the green peas. And when I do that, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to reduce the heat. So I want it to be sort of like medium low, put the lid on, and then I'm just going to let everything simmer for about, say, 10 minutes or so. So I'm going to remove the lid and show you guys what the mixture looks like after simmering it for several minutes. I'm just going to give it a quick stir just to show you guys what it looks like before I want to puree it. So I like to puree my soup using my blender. You can use an immersion stick blender if you want to. So we're just going to puree it now. So the next thing that you need to do is to carefully transfer that mixture from the stove into your blender, and then you just want to put the lid on and carefully blitz it until it is nice and smooth. So now I'm gonna stop my blender and remove the lid and show you guys what the soup should look like. It's a really nice vibrant green color, and I'm just gonna take a spoon to show you guys that the consistency is really smooth. And after that, I'm just going to stir in my pink salt and black pepper as well. So that's it. How easy was that, guys? This is how you make some vegan style pea soup using green peas. Really delicious and nutritious soup. Please try it. Thank you so much for watching the channel or the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will catch you on the other side.